This summer is amazing so far. I just woke up to a very beautiful notification, and I think you guys agree that waking up to a TP is literally the best feeling. I'm talking about this trade right here on Eurodollar that smashed my TP overnight, and I was able to secure $4,132 on it, a trade I took yesterday and also sent in my community. And after I woke up and I saw that the TP was hit, I thought, why not? Let's hop on the graphs and record a breakdown, since I know that you guys enjoy these breakdowns. So yeah, here I am. First of all, let me just delete everything so I can show you step by step my full thought process behind this setup. And it was a very interesting setup, and you'll see exactly why. So this is exactly when I opened the chart yesterday for the first time. The first thing that I did on the 1 hour is I marked the liquidity levels. This was the newly formed valid high, and the most recent valid low was this one here, that, as we can see, was liquidated right here. But actually, let me play one more candle, okay, right here. After it was liquidated, I looked left on the 1 hour to see if I have any confluences. From the get-go, I saw that I don't have the beautiful H1 sweep confluence, because as we can see right here, price fully closed below this low. Okay, so I looked left on the 1 hour and I wasn't able to see anything. Price was just too far away. But then I went to the 4 hour. I went on the 4 hour, I went to the left side, and I saw that price entered this 4 hour FVG, but also a 4 hour demand. Okay, talking about this one right here, we can see we have this big unmitigated demand. So what I did is I marked this higher time frame confluence. So we have H4 FVG plus H4 demand. And then I also checked the daily time frame. Okay, I've checked the daily as well. On the daily, I wasn't able to see anything. So my only higher time frame confluence was this H4 FVG and H4 demand, and that for me is more than enough to consider this setup an A+ potential. Okay, after that I went on the 5 minute, knowing that I have my confluences in place, and on the 5 minute I've noted that I have an A+ potential depending on the market structure shift. Okay, and after that, what I looked at on the 5 minute is the structure. I saw that we had some liquidations over here. I've marked them. This one was the first one I saw, and then I saw another minor one over here, but I marked this one as well. And after the liquidations, right after the stock exchange has opened, it has opened with some bullish volume on Eurodollar. Okay, we can see price pushed higher all of a sudden with some very good and healthy bullish volume, and it gave me the shift. It gave me the aggressive shift right here, okay, aggressive BOS, because it fully closed above this high and also above this one right here. Okay, so we have a double shift, a double break of structure, so to say. So everything was looking good. I have some liquidations, I have the aggressive shift in place. Now the next step was for me to identify a FVG, and I was able to identify it right here. Okay, and after that we had news at 5 o'clock my time, at 5 p.m, 3 p.m. UK time, we had the Joel. So what I did is I waited. I haven't placed the setup yet. I waited till 5 minutes past 5 my time, and right here is when I decided to place the order, because it didn't trigger during the news. I placed the buy limit over here, with the stop loss below the low, below the second leg basically, and then I targeted to RR. After I placed the setup, I of course sent it in my community as well. And on that note, if you want to become part of our community, you can apply for my mentoring program to be able to work with me one-on-one and ultimately gain access to the private community as well by clicking the first link down below. Now let's play the price and see what happened. Right here we got tapped in, and what I want to show you guys is how this trade played out. Okay, how it played with our mind. So check this out. It went super close to the stop loss here. Initially I thought that was it, it's a stop loss. Then it went back into profit, and here I didn't close anything. Okay, I just let it run. I've let it do its thing, and this is where most people will go wrong. And after they see that it went this close to the stop loss, once it's in profit, if they look at the trade live, they will be like, oh, let me close it here. Okay, let's continue playing it. Check this out. Okay, it goes into profit, pretty close to the first target. Then it reverses back in drawdown, and it liquidated this low. Over here again, I thought it will be a stop, but I didn't close it. I've continued holding the trade, and check this out. After it liquidated that low, it went back higher. Okay, once again, over here, I'm sure that many people would have closed it because they were fearful that it was so close to smash the stop loss. But again, I've continued waiting. I've held it. Okay, I've held it. Again, goes into drawdown. Then at the lunch hour, it gains some strength. And check this out. It pushes higher. And right after it liquidated this high over here, okay, after it broke this high, that's when I moved my stop loss at break even, okay, and made the trade risk-free. TP1 was smashed as well over here, and I know that many of you guys that are in my community like to target TP1. And then I've continued holding, okay, I've continued holding. It went back super close to the break even, and then eventually during the night it smashed the TP. Let me play the price. Reason I wanted to play it is to show you guys what a roller coaster this trade was essentially. Okay, we can see the TP was smashed right here during the night, and when I woke up I was able to get the notification, and I felt really happy about it. But yeah, this is how this trade looked like, and I wanted to share it with you guys the way it played out, and not just fully skip it till the TP, for you guys to understand that yes, even though sometimes a trade might not look good, once you're in it, your job is to just let it play out. Okay, your job is to just let it play out, because myself, when I saw it over here, I was like, yeah, this trade is going to be a stop loss. But I didn't close it earlier to limit my loss, or I didn't close it when it went back in profit. I continued holding it, okay, because I have a strict plan and I respect it. And I urge you guys to do the same as well, okay? Because not every single trade, every single winner will look like this. Tapping on the FVG and boom, straight to the TP. I know we all love this type of trade, but we need to understand that not every winner will look like this. There will be winners, ugly winners, so to say, that look like this one on Eurodollar. And your job is to understand it and keep on holding it. Because imagine this, right? Let's say after this close call to the stop loss, you would have closed it right here at the entry price. And then you would have seen all this move. You would have seen that your TP would have been hit if you would have stick to your plan. After that, that's how you get into revenge trading. Okay, and it's literally like a domino effect. All right, so that's why it is so important to stick to your plan. And yeah, that's why I decided to share this this breakdown with you. I'm really happy that this trade played out the way it did. I'm also happy that many of you guys were able to secure good profits on it. I just woke up and I already received some profit messages, some reviews on this trade. Yeah, that being said, if you guys enjoy these type of breakdown videos, make sure to smash that like button. Let me know down below as well, so I know that you guys enjoy them, and I will continue posting them. And till the next video, if you want to see a video where I explain my whole journey from the start to the present moment, I would suggest you guys to watch the video that will pop on the screen now. And that being said, I want to wish you all the best and take care.